Hello friends, so welcome back with a new video. So this video is all about variables. So what are variables? Variables are just reserved memory location to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in memory. Based on the data type of the variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decide what can be stored in the reserved memory. Therefore, by assigning different data type to variables, you can store integer, decimal or character in these variables. In Python, a variable do not need explicit declaration to reserve memory space. The declaration happens automatically when you assign a value to a variables with the help of an equal sign. The operand to the left to the equal operator is the name of the variable, and operand to the right of the equal operator. So let's do some programs. So this is the interpreter line. Save the program, desktop, py. Now this is var dot py. Counter is equals to 100. Integer miles is equals to 0. This is float. Name is equals to John Cena. So everybody heard of John Cena, the famous wrestler of the WWE. It's a string. So we have defined the different types of variables. Let's bring them. Counter, miles, it's a float, and name, it's a string. So let's run this program. Let's check if this program is yes. Provided proper permission, then run it. So you can see we have three different variables printing. First is integer, second is float, and third is string. This is a function in Python called type function, just like, and this function is type. So through this function you can check that what data type does a variable has. Like check this out. The data type of the counter variable. So let's print it. So you can see it has an integer. Counter variable has an integer, and you can see it has an integer. So in future you can use this. Python can also be useful for multiple assignment. Let's comment this out. Remember, the hash in Python language is used for comment. So if you want to comment anything, just type hash and then comment anything, and will be comment. Check it out. We have nothing because everything is comment. Like you can do multiple assignment like this. C is equals to 1. So every ABC has value 1. Print, it's printed. B, C. Let's run this. So you can see we have 1 1 1 in the three variables. We have assigned the three variables same value in a single line. And there's also another method for assigning values to variables in a single line, like ABC. Okay, type 1 2, and third is again famous wrestler John Cena. I haven't write print program. Print A, print B, print. So this and this type of variable sign will save your space. Basically you are defining three variable values within one line. Here we have used three line, here we have used one line. Let's see if the program runs successfully without any error. So you can see we have three variables printed here. So this is another good feature of the Python. There are standard data types in Python. The 5 standard data types the Python has are number, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. So we are currently talking about the Python numbers. A Python number can be an int, long, float, and a complex number. So let's delete this program till here. So let's do an example of long. We have done integer, float, and a long number like 5, 1, 9, 2, 4, 3, 6, 1, L. It's a long. Print type long, long num. So you can see this is a long. Now complex num is equals to 3.14 J. It's a complex. And now print complex num. So you can see it's a complex. So the four different types of numbers that Python support are integers, long, float, floating point numbers, and complex number. So these four are there. Let's rub them. Now move to the Python strings. So Python strings are identified as contiguous sets of character represented in a quotation mark. Python allow either a single pair or a double pair. So let's do one example of the string also. Str is equals to hello world. Print type str. So it's a string. You can also use single quotes. It will not make much difference. It will remain a string and always a string. Subset of string can be taken using the slice operator with indexing from 0 in the beginning of the string and working away from at the end with -1. The plus sign can also be used for concatenation and asterisk as a repeater. So let's first do the concatenation and asterisk, the repetition operator. Like we have two string, let's divide into two. Hello string 1, str2 as world. So print str1 plus str2. Let's see, we have a hello world. We have this single quote at the one end and double quote at the another end. So you can see hello world. So we do not have any space in them. You can also put a little space in them, single space. So we have hello world in it. Now this is the concatenation. C-O-N. What is spelling of concatenation? Is forgot. C-A-T-E-N-T-A-T-A-T-I-N. Concatenation. Just forgot the spelling. Just remember the function. You can check the, now concatenation. Let's concatenate. Not concatenation. The repetition operator. Like print str1 10 times. So you can see it has printed hello 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can do a little thing like just to make every oh, what is this? This is a little bit confusing. I think we just leave it right now. Just leave it right now, so you can use asterisk as a repetition operator. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's do this slicing with the slice operator. Let's make this string hello world string print str. So it will print a simple string. Now print str 0. Now see the difference between the two. You can see str print the whole string, and this square bracket is the slicing operator. This is the index number of the string, so it will print the the character at the 0th index. Like this you can do. Like the length is 5, you can, the length is not 5, you can print the 5. So 5 hasn't printed anything because there is a space at 5. Okay. So let's see if we exceed the length. Maybe 15 is not the length. So you can see the index out of range. So let's remember, this will always remember this thing. Let's see this one. Print str to 5. Now see what it will do. It has extracted LLO from 2 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from second to fourth. This means between the two, starting from this and ending at this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's do this 0 to 5. Just to make this comment out, that part is unnecessary. Hello. So 0 to 5 hello. Let's do it 1 to 5 hello. So we can also do it like 6 to this, leave it right. So if we lead out the other end of the, then it will take it as a whole string. So if we do it like this, we print the whole character. Do it like 0. I'm just trying hit and trial method. So this is basic slicing of the string. So let's talk about Python list, another data type supported by Python. List are most versatile in Python compound data type. So we are talking about list. A list contains items separated by commas and enclosed within square bracket. To some extent, lists are similar to arrays in C. And one difference is that in C, an array can have only variable of same data type, but in list it can have values from different data type like L list, like hello 1 2 3 1. So we have a list there. Let's add a float point number 2. So this is a list. You can simply type print L and it will print the list in this manner only. So you can also, if you want to print it individually, you can type the index number. So you can see index 0 is hello, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Now let's type the 4 which doesn't exist and see the error. What is it? So list index out of range, like index out of range, like the which it is shown in the case of slicing. Not slicing. Yeah, when we just want to extract a single character which is out of the index. List. You can also make a loop and then print them by loops, but loop we will discuss in later videos. Like slashing, you can also do this. You can see 1 and 3, 1 3, starting from 1 and ending at counting till 3, 1 3. So this 1 3 means 1 means starting from where, and 3 how much, 1 from the beginning, 2 3. So 1 2 3 word. This is like same as slicing. See, 2 0 1 2, starting from 2 and ending at the end of the list. You can also concatenate two lists, simple plus operator, and repeated operation can also be used here, like list 2 is equals to A B print L plus L2. So you can see concatenated both this list. Now repetition operator. You can see list is repeated by AB AB. Tuples list. Now let's go on tuples. A tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to a list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. However, tuples are enclosed within parentheses, that is the curved brackets. The main difference between the list and the tuples are lists are enclosed within the square bracket, and their element size can be changed. That is, we can just change the variables, the values in the list. But tuples cannot be updated. So tuples are like read only, and lists are read and write only. You can do both operations. Let's check tuples. tup1 oh, tuple 1. We can call this a tuple ABC 1 2 3 1 2 hello 3.14 spy, and a small tuple like in previous video A B. Let's print out tup1. You can see 0. Let's make one list also. L is equals to, so we can see the read and write operations in both, but the difference, like A B. So let's print list L0. See what happens. A. Now changing its value to X. Let's see. this 0 invalid syntax. So our syntax is not correct. Let me just check. Our syntax is not correct. Syntax not correct. So this is not. I'm not able to understand what's error here. Oh, I get error. Maybe because I'm printing it also and changing its value. We'll change it to a number L0. So you can see that's the error. Now print L. So you can see 123b. Now doing the same operation in tuple 2 equals to 1 2 3. Then see. So you can see tuple object does not support item assignments. This means that we cannot change its value, we can only read this value. The rest or operations are same with the list and the slicing also. The concatenation of the list and tuple are same, and the slicing of list and tuple are also same. And the last is the Python dictionary. Python dictionary is a kind of hash table. This works like an associative array hash found in Perl and consists of key pair values. A dictionary key can be almost any Python type but are usually of number or strings. Let's make a Python dictionary. Type dict and then these curly brackets. Now we declare a dictionary. Now print dict. See, we have declared a dictionary. You can check it through type function. So you can see dict. Now we can add a value to dict. Dict 1 is equals to 1. Now we assign one value. So just remove this type and work only with. So you can see we have this, the key value pair. This is the key, this is the value. So let's print. Now we are printing a whole list. Now we are printing only the key 1. The value of the key is 1. You can also change it like dict 1 is equals to 100. This is 1, that is 100. So this, like this, you can create your dictionaries, and there's some other operations on dictionary. Let's discuss them. Oh, I should not remove that. Like, let's add one more dict so you can better understand. TWO2 is equals to 2, dict 3 is equals to 3. Now name print dict dot keys to print all keys. So you can see we have all keys 3 2 1. Now print values. Now we are going to have all the values. So these are two basic operations in the dictionary. I think that's all for this video. Thank you. And if you like this video, please like this. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Have a nice day.